Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Bob Platno reporting to you from my comfy abode right here in good old Chicago, Illinois. This is Virgie, the African Grey. Yeah, she's a bit angry right now. She don't like me one bit. Hey, Virge. Hello, Virge. Say hi. Whoa. Virgie, be nice. Virgie. Say hello. Look at the size of that eyeball. Whoa. Whoa, she's trying to bite the camera. Oh, look at that tongue. Did you see her tongue? Virgie. Whoa. She just licked the camera. Be nice. Alright, Virge, that's enough. You got your food right there. You don't need to be eating my camera. Alright? Be nice. Say hello to YouTube. She's French kissing my camera with her fucking black ass tongue. Alright. This is Bob and Virgie signing off, and as always, have a great day.